It is a showstopper, but again, here's what I'll tell you. Carrie, what do we get? We have about 600 of these to go around. That's all we have at $79.95. This is an amazing way to cut. You have a dual blade that not only cuts, but it also smooths out for a more finished look, all-in-one, easy to use saw. There's less kickback. It's very, very accurate. You don't have to worry about changing out blades all the time. It has a guided ruler. It includes everything that you need, all the accessories, and even the case is included. So ideal even for mom and dad if they want to do those quick fix projects. It works on plastic, it works on metal, on wood. As I said, you get the perfect cut every single time. So here's how it works. Check it out. So you got these two blades, right? Now one's going one way and the other's going the other way. So what that means is you're not going to get that sort of a kickback that you get when you're going in one direction. They almost balance each other off. But because it's so clean, they leave the most clean edges you've ever seen. My good friend Carrie McNally is here with dual saw in hand. And hold on. And goggles. I have to get my goggles on. For the various shrapnel be coming out here. But, you know, we love this tool. And I think what it does is it's taken, you know, anybody that's seen those big giant cutters that they, you know, they cut cars with and stuff like that, this is a scaled down version of that.
Absolutely. And as you mentioned, it's counter-rotating blade technology. This was developed by a fireman for other firefighters, and it can cut through anything, just about anything that you need to cut, you can cut with the dual saw. It's an award-winning tool. Just won a huge award at the International Hardware Fair in Las Vegas. And we've got wood flooring here. We've got some molding. We've got wainscoting. It's no match for the dual saw. It's infinitely safer if you're in the DIY stuff or you're in the trades, or if you've never handled a power tool before. This is a power tool that's empowering. Clean cuts every single time.
Perfectly smooth. There's no splintering, nothing on there. I mean, look at that. It's perfectly smooth.
Yeah, that's the beauty of the dual saw. How does some molding? Absolutely. That was my fault. Hold on.
Beautiful.
Wainscoting, if you're going to go ahead and get your empty nesting, you want to go ahead and turn that bedroom into a baby room or an office.
Look at that. And the cut is so smooth.
Every single
There's no sanding or anything that you have to deal with that. Plus the fact, I mean, and a handsaw, forget it. You're never going to be able to do, especially decorative work. You wouldn't use a handsaw for that.
Less than 5 pounds.
But what I love about it, Carrie, is that you don't have that big, giant circular saw that is kind of threatening to the average homeowner. They don't want to buy that big old thing. All right, here's what I'll tell you. Now there are about 500 left. We started with 600. Even though it says how many are left on the screen, I got about 200 people that are already shopping for this. So
it's always wildly popular.
If you want one. Now, we've done some wood here, but this also works on pipes. Right?
Copper piping here. You can hire a plumber, bring a stranger into the house, or do projects on your own. Just like that.
Can you do that one more time for me?
Look at how smooth.
That was a little too quick.
How smooth that. We're going to do it again.
Wow, yeah. Check it out. That is awesome.
Copper piping. You don't have to change blades, wood, plexiglass. You got all kinds of projects.
So same if I want to do that, some of the metal pipes, or if I want to do plexiglass, if I want to do wood, I use the same blades.
Same exact saw. Like a hot knife through butter.
Look at that, man. That is fantastic.
That's why this is such a versatile tool. That's why it's a customer pick. That's why everybody always loves it.
If you buy it today, what was our original price? Is it $10 off today? So it's $10 off. We have it on FlexPay today, so we've got it on the 2 Flex at $39.98. Our shipping and handling, we will cover for you as well. So as I said before, with only about 500 really hard quantity to go around right now and only 10 minutes, it's first come, first serve. I can't think of a better Father's Day gift. You know, Dad would love this. Because here's the thing, all right? And let me show you. I'm going to come over here really quick and show everybody what they get. Carrie, because that's important. So you get the blades. These are the little lubricating sticks that actually help the blades move nice and smoothly because they create a lot of friction. There's a little tool to tighten the blades. And this is the actual unit itself. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space. I love that. So if you've got a small workshop and you want them in there, we even give you the little bag.
You get the bag,
little doctor's kit. Look at that.
Exactly. You put all kinds of additional tools in there. If you're into crafting, DIY, if you know somebody, a loved one's in the trades, they will absolutely love, they'll flip when they see the dual saw.
It's fantastic. So take advantage. All right, let's continue on with some demonstrations. Our producer, Doug, will keep us posted as to quantities because I don't think we're going to make the whole 9 minutes.
There's aluminum sheet.
All right.
Boom.
Man,
Now take a look at this side of this, the other side of this. I mean, this is like a polished finish. I mean, this thing just, it cuts, but it cuts so cleanly that you end up with like a mirror polished finish.
It's perfect.
This thing is awesome. How about PVC?
Let's do it.
You're doing some, keep the critters out from underneath the house.
Yeah.
This stuff is really fragile.
And you can get right through it.
No match for the DUALSAW.
Sheetrock, if you need to cut sheetrock, you can do that as well. Listen, we're going to just put up our left counter to give everybody an idea. We've sold about, we've sold, let's see, even though it says we have 500, we probably have about 350 or 375 because there's people shopping online.
Yes.
I say we just keep on continuing here.
Come on. Yeah, here's a
Let's
DIY.
do some projects.
DIY project.
All right.
I got 2 cats. I want to keep the litter box behind the door. If you got little dogs out there, simple and easy project. You get this thing home.
Oh, little doggy kitty door?
Yeah, just draw a little line and get into it.
Okay. And what's nice about the, what I like about the DUALSAW too, there you go, there it is. What I like about the DUALSAW as well, Carrie, is the fact that, there it is right there. Obviously, look at that. Perfect. And then screw it in, you're good to go.
Yeah.
So you can do these kinds of projects, and you don't have to have the little starter hole and have to use the little thing to try to get it going.
You can do plunge cuts.
You
That's
can do
the beauty of the dual blade
Yep.
technology. And here's that animation again for you guys at home. This was developed by a firefighter for other firefighters out there. And those tungsten blades, those counter-rotating blades, one blade goes clockwise, the other blade goes counterclockwise. That eliminates kickback, less friction, fewer sparks, and it can literally cut through anything. We talked about the diamond blades out there, right?
Mm-hmm.
You just ask your operator for those. Those are available. Masonry, marble, tile, pavers. When you've got the DUALSAW with the diamond blades, you've got a lot of versatility.
And $79 for the weekend. Come on, you know, as we continue to remember those on Memorial Day. Hey, take care of yourself. Get yourself something that's going to help you with all these projects.
Absolutely.
Take care of Dad. You know, if you've known anybody that served in the armed forces, want to get him a nice gift, this is perfect for that. And it won't break the bank doing it at the same time. And if you're one of those people that's like a DIY person, sure, this is ideal. This is one of the tools that you want because it's not big and bulky. Yeah. It's as small as like a little handsaw, but about 1,000 times more powerful. Sure. What are you doing now, Mr. McNally?
This is marble. Heads up.
Check it out. I think you're in. Nice job, buddy.
So there's marble, right? Okay, and we got a little backsplash cooking back here. So let me get a little goop on this, and we'll just finish this project. You can do this stuff yourself, guys. That's what I said before. This is a power tool that is empowering. So this goes, let's see if it fits in there. Okay, that goes there. This piece is like a puzzle piece. But imagine the satisfaction you'll get when finishing a project like this, and of course adding value to your home.
Hey, listen.
Backsplash.
All right.
Marble backsplash with DUALSAW.
Now I've got about 300 or so remaining, and we'll put 5 minutes up on the clock. You want to? Let's do that other demo because this one's really neat too.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is kind of a guy thing, guy.
Yeah.
This just shows the power, the flat-out power of the DUALSAW. This is diamond plate, steel diamond plate. They make toolboxes in the back of pickup trucks out of this. They make gang planks for cruise ships out of this stuff. We're going to go right through, do a little plunge cut. It's going to be somewhere right about there, and we'll do this live on TV. Wow. How awesome is that?
Man, and that's tough stuff right there, man. I'm telling you.
Boom. Diamond plate right there live on TV.
Yeah, so let's talk about like the technology again as to why there's no real kickback on this.
Well, that's because the tungsten blades are moving in opposite directions. Typical saws, they only spin in one direction. Sometimes you put them down and they run away from you. It can be very dangerous. Or there's a lot of kickback. The two blades create less kickback, if any at all, fewer sparks, less friction, and ultimately it's a safer and more efficient saw to use. That's why everybody loves it. That's why it won an award at the International Hardware Show in Las Vegas, because the thing goes through everything. We got another project over here. We got what?
You know what you are? You're just a project machine. Look at you. You gonna drop a sink for me, buddy?
I got everything but the kitchen
Before
sink.
you do that, let me just tell everybody, I've got 3.5 minutes left, and if you look at the bottom of the screen down over there, you'll see there's 324 left.
Yeah.
But how many people are online right now?
There's
250.
Right.
Yeah. So
it's a race to get your saw.
You got a couple hundred of these left. If you want to get Dad's something great for Father's Day, and you're wondering, what would Dad like? And honestly, Dad's not going to use this every single day, but boy, when he can go to this and be like, oh man, I got the tool.
Yeah, but the ladies
Dads love to do that.
And the
stuff.
ladies can do it too because it weighs
totally.
less than 5 pounds.
Yeah,
it's got a 7-foot cord.
We just want this so we can show that we can do the same things that the ladies can do.
Exactly.
That's
500 watts of power. And
yeah, buddy. Drop that thing.
Cuts, I can go back and forth.
There you go.
Everything and the kitchen sink.
Look at that thing, including the kitchen sink.
To-do list just got done.
Hey, you know what? And here's the other thing too. It's fun to use, and there's a lot of later on in the hour I have a pole saw chainsaw coming up, and it's another one of those things. It's just fun to use.
Yeah.
And if you think you can't do it, you're wrong. You absolutely can utilize this tool. Anybody, as I said before, the ladies who are the do-it-yourselfers will appreciate this every bit as much, if not more, than the guys.
Sure.
Because as we said, it's easy to use. It doesn't have that big giant kickback that some of the regular circular saws have. It's the appropriate size for homeowners, because you're not going to be, hey, listen, if you're a builder, you're not, hey, even a builder might use this for smaller jobs.
Yeah, it's a great.
But obviously for homeowners, it's perfect. And you can see on the various demos that are on our tape right there, you can use it for a variety of things. It's ideal. We do have, by the way, extra blades that are available, and they're at the bottom of the screen. Obviously, if you're using this a lot, you are going to go through blades every so often. So we have the extra ones that are available down below. So you can keep those going. Carrie's going to go through a line of demos. You could just keep going if you want here, Carrie. And I'll keep you posted as to how we're doing on quantity. Take a look.
Oh, that's my fault. Oh, man. That's
hey, you don't have to hurry now. Take your time there, Mr. McNally.
Actually, I want to do that again.
Hey, dog, I'm not letting Carrie work on my floor.
There we go.
There you go, buddy.
Beautiful, perfect cut.
That was better.
Time.
All right, guys, as we continue on, we're going to have to say goodbye to Carrie a little bit early because this is already sold.